Good day to my honorable channel. In today's video, I'm actually going to show you how you can earn crazy amount of money just using your Binance app. It's absolutely for free. Let me say this because for this stuff that I'm gonna show you, the return is so crazy. Trust me, the return is so crazy and you're gonna love it. So the first requirement you're gonna need is a Binance account. So if you don't already have an account on Binance, don't hesitate to use my link, which I will share in the description and also the comment section of this very video that I'm creating. So this video that you're watching, just go to the description part or section and you will find my Binance referral link there. Feel free to use it to create an account. After that, kindly verify your account, download the app, and let me show you this. In fact, we ain't gonna waste any more time, but if you will stay with me till the end and also make use of this vital info that I'm gonna share with you, trust me, in the coming weeks, months, you're gonna be thankful. You're gonna run back to this very video and drop a very nice comment. Trust me. Please, if today is your first time coming across a content on my channel, don't forget to subscribe. So first, after you've created, or if you already have an account and the app, just download the app. Right, when you open the app, go to this section here. Right, that's the menu icon. Right, so when you come to this section, please, we are going to use this part for now. Right, so you just click on Launchpad. So let me explain what is actually going on here for you and why I said you can be making crazy money if you should keep your eye on the Launchpad section on Binance. Now you know already, Binance is the first, the largest, and also the leading crypto exchange, centralized exchange in the world as we are speaking now. Right, so this is what happened on their Launchpad. Whenever there is a new crypto project coming on board, they try to, one thing about crypto is the larger community they get, the higher chances of the project being successful. So in order for these guys, for this new crypto project, you see, to sustain, to gain population to their project, when the project is about to launch, this is what they do. They actually find a way of letting people accumulate the coins, right? Though not for free, but based on how things are done and my observations. Of course, you see, there is going to be a time you invest like $10 and come out with more than $1,000. You see that? So this is what they do. Whenever there's a new project, you can see this one is completed, right? And a lot of people have already benefited from this. So whenever there's a new project, when the new project is about to be launched, this is what they do. They will bring it to the launch pad here, right? And then they will open pools for the project, right? So you see, the first one is FDUSD pool. We have the TUSD and also the BNB pool. So this is what they do. They are actually going to allow users to stake these tokens, right? So when you come to the Launchpad on Binance and you see there's a new project on board, just look at the pools here, right? So if you want the BNB pool, you all you have to do is to buy some BNB in your wallet on Binance. When you come here, you click on the BNB pool. You see that? You see it's telling me blah 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 blah. So you just you just have to come here and stake your BNB. This one is already completed, so there's no way I can stake any of these tokens here, right? If you like, you can also buy through USD and then you stake, right? You can also buy FDUSD and then you stake in their pool. You see, this farming period was, I think, 30 days, right? So the earlier you stake, the earlier the better. That's why you always have to keep your eyes on the launch pad. So when you see a new project unveiled, you just check the pools, you buy the coins, whether TUSD, whether BNB, and then you stake. And when the duration, the farming duration elapsed, all they will do is to give you some crazy or amazing amount of the project. You can sell and make your money. So let's say you invested like $100, you're gonna come out with something like $5,000 or $500. Like, you are going to make profit, and insane ones, right? So I hope you are going to make very good use of. You see, this was the account project, you see, and you know what these guys, this account project did, right? I remember a friend of mine made like $400 from them. So it's really, really, really crazy. So you always have to be checking the launchpad section of Binance and also make good use of it. See you another time with another incredible video. Bye bye.